like them. Jamming on the beat. Serves me out and then make like them.
Hi guys, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and today I have a general merchandise box from Kong Wholesale, and I'll be listing some of this stuff on my page too for the locals. That's why I want to get it out. Now this one I am subscribed to. You don't have to subscribe, you can get a one-off, but I paid, what did I pay for this? $71.25 for this box. And if you just get a one-off box, it's like $100. But this is the general merchandise. I believe it's Target. Something like that. And look, we have more towels. I must have got I've gotten these in the last 3 boxes. So they must have had a heck of a buyout on towels. And I don't know what size they are. The last ones were hand towels. Yeah, that's what these are too, hand towels. So I have more than enough of a white hand towel. So let's stick those over there. Who wants white hand towels anyway? It seems to me like that would just... Okay, then you got a Farberware easy release durable non-stick griddle. And I'll put this back in here. And we got some more hand towels. This time they're gray. Okay. I got some garden gloves by Threshold. The air just came on. Sorry about that. Forgot to turn it off. Here we have some tongs. A milk frother. A soil tester. No batteries required. 2-in-1 analyzer. How to use to measure your pH and fertility in your ground, not your Here's another set of gloves. These are shower rings, clear shower rings. And this one we have, what do we have here? A big old spoon, metal spoon. It's Big Mint stainless steel spoon. Okay. I can't get it back in that, so we'll just leave it. Here we have 2 pillowcases in gray. Here we have a strainer. And here we have a whole bunch of bags, which I don't know how many there's in there, but it's a whole bunch. Here we have some white washcloths. So there's that. I'll just retie it later. This fell out, whatever it is. Oh, it's butter knives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butter knives. Nice quality. They're very heavy. But that. Then we have 2 Duraflame lighters, which I'll put those in with my resin. And here's 2 brown pillowcases. Here is 2 battery operated votive candles and their own little lanterns. This is nice. This is Cole and Mason, and it's coarse salt and pepper grinders. That is nice. That is nice. And then we have, I guess I'm going to take this one out. Yes, I know I don't have my makeup on or anything today. Oh, these are interesting. Definitely interesting. It's an appetizer plate with a snake on it. And there are 4 in here. Interesting. Huh. Wonder why those didn't say. That's terrible. I shouldn't say that. And this is a Bright Room vanity organizer. And it shows you a picture on it. I assume it twists. There's that. And here's another milk frother. Different kind. And here is Figment. This is a food scale. I think it is. I think it's food scale for baking and things. Oh, come on. What the heck? Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is. It's a scale, kitchen scale. It's a kitchen scale, and it looks like that. Then we have, what is this, pray tell? 2 of these, whatever it is. It looks like garden aprons. Yeah, they look like garden aprons. And there's 2 of them. But they could be any kind of apron. Baking aprons, whatever. Then we got a shower curtain. And it's white and black. And it's got the black here and the black here. As you can see that. But it's like lace. But you can see it does have black there, so that is my guess. It looks like this, only it's black and white. These are candle holders. Quite hefty. They got some weight to them. And here's another shower curtain. But this one's just plain white. This one's just plain white. Interesting. And it's like a linen. So that's that. So that's that. So what'd you think of this one? That's what I thought. Which, hey, I might use this myself. I don't need pillowcases. These are interesting. And there's another pearl. Actually, these are the most interesting thing out of the box. So, but anyhow, I will load these up, what I'm going to sell on my page over the weekend. So, there you have it. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube things. Bye.